Hello everyone. Today is Friday and it's a new Lego day. Before we start, let's congratulate our last week winner who will receive this beautiful display set from Lego Creator. So for today, here we have Space Exploration Telescope 3-in-1 Lego Creator. This set offers 3 different building options: a telescope toy with a solar system model, a microscope toy, or a UFO model. Each space and science toy includes a light brick. This set number is 31378 and it's recommended for ages 8 and up. So let's open it and start building a telescope with a solar system first. Here we have 3 bags of Lego pieces, 3 instruction manuals, and an instruction for the light brick. So let's open the first bag. Here's our space exploration telescope toy with a solar system model. The telescope itself is adjustable and it stands on its tripod. It includes a light brick inside, which can be activated by pushing this button. It also has 3 different lenses, a planet, a star, and the moon, which can be placed over here. And the solar system model features the sun and 8 planets that can be spun around. This building option is extremely good, especially for space lovers. Now let's start building option 2, a microscope toy. So this is a microscope toy model. It's also adjustable. We can activate a light brick by pushing this button here to illuminate images of planets, star, and the moon to view inside the microscope. This building option is also good, especially for those who are interested in science. And now let's start building option 3, a UFO model. And here is UFO model. It has opposable antennas and legs that flip out to display it. This model also includes a light brick which can be activated by pushing this button here to beam a light from underneath the UFO. This building option is for those who love creative toys and imaginative play. So we're done with all 3 building options of the set. A telescope toy with a solar system, a microscope toy, or a UFO model. All 3 options are very interesting, but to be honest, my favorite is the telescope toy with a solar system model. Tell me which model you liked the most in the comments. And of course, this set is also for a giveaway. You can find all the giveaway details and rules in the video description managed by my parents. Thank you for watching. See you next Friday. Bye.